Yes, Massive and Crew, back once again with another video. And today I've got to say, these are the most worrying times going for a lot of people. Everywhere you look on the news, you're seeing this coronavirus. Now, it's mad. Like, I've had a runny nose. I did have a slight cough yesterday, but I was taking a bit of garlic and that kind of calmed it down. I've been on the garlic, I've been mixing up the herbs, sticking it in a cup, pretty much just about every flipping respiratory herb I can figure out. Ginger, garlic, lemon, flipping golden seal. I've been on the vitamin C, I've been on the black seed oil. I've been going in on these herbs. And they're saying that they're in the delay phase. And now they're saying anyone who's feeling symptoms should stay home, self-isolate, and they're also saying people with statistically underlying problems. Now apparently there's a document that has been released where it shows a lot of people, the people with underlying problems are the people that have diabetes, people who are probably smoking, people who have asthma, people have high blood pressure. They're saying that these people are likely to be the people that will not survive the coronavirus. Now, they say most of us will have the mild symptoms. Now, I don't want to go into it because it's everywhere right now, and I'm sure everybody has seen what they see on the news and stuff. And I've got to say, it's quite worrying. Like, as a DJ, I'm concerned about gigs forthcoming. There must be enough of you thinking the same thing. You've got to play out. I don't want to travel. You know, it's making me not think about traveling around the world. All these things are going to restrict what people can do. And as well as that, it's going to have a serious impact on the economy as well. In a sense where, you know, I don't want to. I'm not an economist, but I'm guessing that how long, you know, the economy is a business, and how long can a business last if it's not generating any money? It comes to a standstill. Although, you know, it's not a complete standstill because people are going to still need petrol and so anyway, I don't want to go into that either. But my point is, you know, I'm a bit concerned. Like the Prime Minister said that we're gonna be experiencing losing loved ones, and that is what worries me the most. And the thing is as well, now you could just have symptoms of a normal flu. This is flu season, and check the statistics here, right? Now obviously they've got their reasons, right? But check the statistics what I've got here. So sorry, annual deaths. 250,000 people die a year globally of asthma, right, which is 20,000 people a month. 17 million deaths a year to heart attack, right? That's 42,000 a month. You've got 128 Americans die each year as a result of taking medicines as prescribed. That's approximately 11k a month. And 291,000 to 646,000 people die a year of normal flu. 646,000 people globally. And you don't really hear them. You do hear noise about it, but like obviously they got their reasons, and based on where we are now, 10,000 people in the UK have got coronavirus, and 56 million people in England. You know, the population of England is 56 million people, so that's about 0.02%, if I'm not wrong. Comment down below, of people that have it. So, but I'm starting to see people with masks. I'm starting to see people buying you know, lots of food, and it's quite worrying, man. But I'm trying to say to people, I'm gonna not be anxious, because I think if you're anxious, yeah, and you worry about it too much, and that means every time you get a normal flu, you're going to be flipping sending yourself into like self-destruction, placebo effect of like body self-destruction, because your body, you can control your body how it feels, and you can make yourself feel anxious to the point where you actually feel worse than what you are. So playing beats, taking my mind off it. But what I want to know, people, the reason why I'm doing this video, I want to know if there's any other people in the music industry, in like DJs that are going through the same thoughts as me right now. And I feel like, as I got my channel and you guys we're all part of a community, I've got to say something about this. I can't go on like it's not there, but at the same time, I've been watching coronavirus videos until I'm blue in the face, and I'm just fed up watching them, and I'm just thinking, yeah, but there's nothing really out there saying for DJs and all that. So I thought I'd do this, and at the same time, not to throw another one in your face. But yeah, I'm alive and well. I'm breathing fresh air. This is a weird thing going on. Whether this is a genetically modified flipping, all these genetically modified flipping animals we've been pissing around with and pumping antibiotics into the flipping chickens, and God knows what you're seeing on all these programs like Food Inc. and all that. I don't know if this is a result of this, if this is like a man-made virus that's like got out of hand, if it is the bats. I saw a flipping program about this bat disease that this little boy caught on there's a 60-minute documentary, and this boy, he got this bat disease from a scratch from this bat, and it literally gave him like a rabies type symptoms. Now I'm not saying coronavirus does this, but it gave him rabies type symptoms where he was frothing at the mouth, he had lumps all over his skin, he went into a coma. But at the same time, the virus took over his body and took over his brain. And when they went to give him water, he started screaming and carrying on out of character, saying, "The water's burning me, the water's burning me." He got literally super strength and flung the nurses off him. We're talking like, I think it's about a 10-year-old boy. And they were saying about this virus, it goes into the brain and then it goes into your mouth and causes you to want to bite people. And that reminds me of like a zombie apocalypse, in a sense, where they've obviously made a fictitious version of rabies and caused it to be a movie. But in reality, potentially, you can have, I reckon, with the wrong mutation, you can have a zombie-like flipping state for people that want to run around and bite people with foam in their mouth and whatnot have you. And I've got to say now that I think that the times we're living in now, this is going to be a regular thing, because every year we get flu season. Summertime is good to go, then in the winter flu season comes, and I think every year now we're going to be getting all these flipping woogie boogie flus, man, that are just coming from nowhere in this crazy planet that we're living on, man. And I'm not trying to put propaganda out there or try to scare anyone or trying to cause panic, but I just want to share my thoughts out there with people and hear your comments. So please guys, comment down below, let me know what you think about this this whole scenario and some of the stuff that I've spoke about and raised, and I look forward to reading your comments. So guys, that's it for today's video. Take care, God bless, peace.